the Parivasa monastery, maybe before they sleep. Is it? They inform after listening to the Dhamma talk, like this. But usually, if there's no they go outside of monastery, there is no Parivasa monastery or only somewhere in the forest nearby the monastery, like this. They inform, take Parivasa or Manata. After they inform, their Parivasa or Manatas to Bhagavata. Parivasa and Manata Bhikkhu, they also need to inform each other. Only one Bhikkhu then inform the Bhagavata Bhikkhu, like this. Okay? Then after when they put aside their Parivasa or Manata, many people know who are taking Parivasa, they have experience. For Parivasa Bhikkhu, they don't need to inform their Parivasas to the Bhagavata. They just say side at the dawn time, after dawn times. Is it? Parivasa Neki Pami, Vata Neki Pami. Parivasa Neki Pami, what they can come back to the monastery in this way. Is it? They get one night. But for Manata Bhikkhu, usually here in the Parivasa monastery, before putting aside, before taking off their Manata, they inform their Manatas to the Bhagavata Bhikkhu again. You know, Abhade, Sambula, Sangha, this is Abhadiyo, Abhijay, Sambula, Abhadiyo, Ekaha, Bhadechanayo, etc. Then they inform. After that, Manata Neki Pami, Vata Neki Pami, Manata Neki Pami, Vata Neki Pami, or both sides, they are Manata. In this way, after dawn time. Is it? But here in question, without the okay. Why? Since early they have already informed their Manata. When they take their Manata, is it? Manata Samadhi and Vata Samadhi, after that they inform. Then now before putting aside, they need to inform their Manatas to Bhagavata Bhikkhu again or not. This is the question. The Manata Charika, what is Devasika Aroje Davandi, we say. It will be valid or not. It will be allowable or not. How do they? Silavagata, Mana Sanjandi Maho Lord. Maybe this question already, no? Before this. Okay, it will be allowable already in the maybe 112 question and answers, is it? It will be allowable. Then if it is allowable, then it will be against to the Chulawa Atagata. You know, Manata Charikasa, what they do, they will seek Aroje Dabandi, which is all. What is the meaning? But Parivasa Bhikkhu and Manata Bhikkhu together, they have many the same duty, the same water. But only one is the different for Manata Bhikkhu from Parivasa Bhikkhu. What is this? Devasika Arojitaban. Need to inform their Manatas to Bhagavata Bhikkhu every day. Every day. There is the difference from Parivasa Bhikkhu. The other duty are the same, like this. That if it is so, just now you said, just now you said, it is allowable to put aside their Manata without informing to Bhagavata Bhikkhu again. Then it will be against each other, like this. How do you think? Then it's mentioned with many references here. To me, this refers to Niketa Manada. That is, Anneketa Manada. Anneketa, no? Anneketa means they take Parivasa or Manada once, they will never put aside. For example, they will take Parivasa or Manada, Parivasa for 6 days, for example, Manada for 6 days. Then during this period, they will never put aside again. One, they inform the bhikkhu and take in Parivasa Samadhi, Vatan Samadhi, etc. One time. Then if no new bhikkhu comes, then they don't need to inform again. Only after, for example, 6 days, they finish. 6 days Parivasa or 6 days Manada. 6 days Parivasa, for example, 6 days they put aside Parivasa Nekipami, Vatan Nekipami in this way. Then it is okay for Parivasa Bhikkhu. But for Manada Bhikkhu, although they are taking their Manada in the monastery, Nekita Manada, Anikita, or Anikita, no, Anikita Manada, without putting aside. They inform all bhikkhu one time in the evening. But next day also need to inform. Next day also need to inform. In this way, altogether 6 days. Every day need to inform their manadas to Bhagadatta bhikkhu. That is a one different from Parivasa bhikkhu. Okay? This refers to only Anikita Manada bhikkhu. Anikita Manada bhikkhu, not for Nikita Manada bhikkhu. But they go outside, then they put aside their Manada every day. Then they don't need to inform their Manada again. But if they can inform, it is okay. But without informing, they put aside their Manada, it is also okay. That is the meaning. Get confused. If you have experience in taking Manada or Parivasa, then you will understand. Otherwise, if you have never experienced in taking Manada or Parivasa, then you don't understand what I explained. Okay? But Myanmar Bhikkhu understand. Here are many references. Okay? Then okay, every day need to inform and put aside, it is better. But sometimes without informing, they directly put aside their Manada, it is also allowable. That is the meaning. Okay, Nyamari Byojime. Ayong de doga Manako Majabe Cha Dilo. Cha Nainelo, a question answer much together. Hold on. That is a hard. Manada Sarikata, what they so the Sulawa Atagata Zagane Masan Jambula. Kera Masan Jambula so to a reference in Walauda. Pyojanaga, one Nakushi near Periwas out to the Boko, Manas out to the Bokuma, Nekita one there, Anekita was easy. Nekita Wakaro, the Nidai, Tangari things here are cadet with champion with Wabima, South to the Woko, Nekita Wok, Chachatara, Nida. Pima Pian Saudi the Lord. Anekita Wakaro, Tanga things he put, Timakebu, Tanga Nere Johnson, no? Anekita Wok. Through a privo to Manatu, Chamataro, the Kare Saudi Talator. Arau, Palukole, Anekita Wolokoro, no? Ay Nakuma, Ke, Anekita Garo, Adudube, Anekita Garo, Chamatabu Suro. The Kala Jata Laye, a day out Malawu Suye. Priwoko Naye, the Mochaya Southwest, and I tell you, Pire Kajama Chalayo, my Priwotama, Pian, a day out Malaus and Jazamalo, Taubura. Manajar Alomo, do ye to a Palanira and Jame, Chauye, sir, a Guajabi, Pitola, Tininia, Leve, Tini Levet Capianja, Namni Levet Capianja, Alo Chauye Lolo to a Jam. Era Dizagaga, the child Beramo, a Nick Unikita Woko Yura, Nikita Woko Yura, Mobu. Chatare Wacharo, Nikita Chatamano, Chatare Wacharo, a champion with Waima Saudi, Domo Cabriwa Jono Niama, that's Saudi, so just Cabriwa the Mayo, Manata Mayo, Sobaima, Priva than the Mariami, Manata the Mariami, that is Saudi light. Saudi Bire Kajara, Drea Priva Manago, Ja light. Jabire Kajaro, Ayun Debire Akama. ပရိဝတ္တမကတော့ထပ်မကြတော့ပဲနဲ့တခါလဲပရိဝတ္တနိခိပါမိဆိုမှတခါလဲချလိုက်တာပဲမာနတမကြတော့ကြားပြီးမှချတာသူတို့ရဲ့မာနကိုအဟံပန္တိတမူလသံဃာတိတေတာအပတ္တိယောအပိစေတမူလအပတ္တိယောဧကပရိသနာယောစသည်ဖြင့်ဒီလိုကြားလိုက်တယ်ကြားပြီးတဲ့အခါကျမှမာနတနိခိပါမိဝတ္တနိခိပါမိဆိုဒီလိုချကြတယ်ပေါ့ကဲအဲ့လိုချတဲ့နေရာမှာသူတို့ကိုညကကြားပြီးသို့မဟုတ်အာယုံမတက်ခင်ကကြားပြီးဖြစ်ပါလေနဲ့အာယုံတက်ပြီးတဲ့အခါမကြားဘဲနဲ့ချမယ်ဆိုရင်အပြစ်ဖြစ်သလားဒီ question လာတာမလားဆိုတော့သူတို့ကြားပြီးဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်မကြားပဲချလဲရတယ်သို့တော့တန်တရားကင်းအောင်တော့ကြားပြီးမှချတာတော့ပိုကောင်းတယ်ဒါမျိုးတကယ်လို့ဟုတ်လားမပြစ်ဘူးဆိုရင်ဒီမှာမနတဇာရိကတဝတ္တေသူဒေဝတိကအာရစေတပန်ဒီဝိတေတောနဲ့မဆန့်ကျင်ဘူးလားတောင်းမေးတာဒါ question တက်လာအဲ့တော့မဆန့်ကျင်ပါဘူးတဲ့ဒီစကားကအနိခိတဝတ်ကိုရည်ရွယ်တာအနိခိတဝတ်တမဆိုရင်တော့မနတမဆိုရင်တော့နေတိုင်းကြားဒါကိုပြောတာနေတိုင်းကြားနေတိုင်းကြားနေတိုင်းကြားပြီမဲ့ तू ကနေ့တိုင်းချမှာတော့မဟုတ်ဘူးအနိကိတတစ်ခါယူထားလိုက်ရင်ကြားတော့ကြားရမယ်သူချစရာမလိုတော့ဘူး6ရက်လုံး6ရက်ပြည့်မှချတော့ပေါ့ဒါမျိုးဟုတ်တယ်မလားသို့တော့နိခိတဝတ်ကတော့ချထားတဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်ကြားပြီးတာနဲ့ချကြားပြီးတာနဲ့ချတယ်လို့ပြောရတာဒါကြောင့်မို့သူကလည်းပဲတစ်နေ့ကိုတစ်ခါကြားပြီးရင်ရပြီပေါ့မချခင်ဒါကိုပြောချင်တာနှစ်ခါကြီးကြားစရာမလိုပါဘူးလို့ပြောတာမကြားလည်းပဲရတယ်သို့တော့တန်တရားကင်းကျင်တော့ကြားပြီးမှချလိုက်ပါဖြစ်တော့ဒါကိုပြောတာပါပဲအဲဒါဆိုနားလည်ပြီနော်ဟုတ်ပြီအဲဒီမှာစောက်တည်နေတဲ့ပုံကိုယ်တွေကျန်တော့နားလဲတယ်စောက်တည်တဲ့ပုံကိုစောက်တည်နေတဲ့ပုံကိုအတွေ့အကြုံမရှိဘူးဆိုတော့ဘာပြောနေရလဲကိုသိမှာမဟုတ်ဒါမျိုးဟုတ်လားအဲ့တော့ဘာလို့အောင်အဲ့တော့စောက်တည်ဖို့လိုအဲ့စောက်တည်ဖို့ဟုတ်လားစောက်တည်ဖို့လိုအဲ့စောက်တည်ရမှာပဲအတွေ့အကြုံကလည်းလိုတယ်ဝိနည်းတခါလေကျရင်လည်းဝိနည်းတင်တော့တင်တာလက်တွေ့ကျင့်သုံးတာမျိုးမဟုတ်ဘူးဆိုရင်မေ့သွားတာဟုတ်လားအဲ့ဒီမှာရှင်ပြားတို့ဒီမှာရှိတဲ့ဒီရောဥခိမိကလင်္ကာရာကြီးပြောလေရှိတယ်ဒီရောထိုင်းကဒီရောမိတ်ဆွေဥဒ္ဓမရကိတဆိုတော့ဝိနည်းကျွမ်းတယ်ဝိနည်းကျွမ်းတယ်ပြီးတော့ဝိနည်းကိုလည်းသူကလက်တွေ့ကျင့်နေတော့အဲပြီးတော့ဝိနည်းဆွေးနွေးပွဲတွေမှာလည်းသူကထိုင်းမှာဆိုရင်ဥဆောင်ပြီးမှဆွေးနွေးနေနှစ်တည်းလည်းအများကြီးတယ်မှာအဲ့တော့ပါဠိအထက်ကရာတိကာတွေတော့ကျွမ်းတယ်ဝိနည်းပိုင်းဆိုင်ရာသူမေးလိုက်ရင်တခါလည်းပြောနိုင်တယ်အဲ့ဒါပြောနိုင်တော့သူကရန်ကုန်ဝိသုဒ္ဓရုံမှာ9နှစ်ဝန်းကျင်လောက်ဥခိမိကာတို့နဲ့အတူနေတယ်သူကမြန်မာစာလည်းသင်ရင်မြန်မာပါဠိတွေလည်းလေ့လာရင်အဲ့တော့ဟိုမှာဥခိမိကလင်္ကာရတို့ကတိပိဋကဝိနည်းပိဋကကိုလှုပ်ရေးဖြည့်တွေလှုပ်နေတာသူရှိမှမေးရတာသူမေးလိုက်ရင်သူကတခါတန်းဖြည့်ဘာသူကလက်တွေ့ကျင့်နေလို့ဟိုကလူတွေကတော့စာမွေးတွေတော့လှုပ်နေတာပေါ့သို့သောလက်တွေ့ကျင့်သုံးမှုကြတော့သူလောက်မရှိဘူးပဲဆိုကြပါစို့အဲ့တော့ဟိုလူကပူကျွမ်းနေတာဝိနည်းဖြေတဲ့လူတွေဝိနည်းပိဋကလှုပ်နေတဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်တွေသူရှိမေးရတာသူကတခါတန်းဖြေနိုင်တယ်ဘာဖြစ်လို့လဲသူကလက်တွေ့ကျင့်သုံးနေလို့ဒါကြောင့်သူကပြောတယ်ရှင်များတို့လက်တွေ့ကျင့်သုံးကြည့်ကြလက်တွေ့ကျင့်သုံးမှမမေ့တာမဟုတ်ရင်တင်တော့တင်တယ်နာတော့နာတယ်ပြီးမေ့တာဒီရောလည်းပြောင်းတာလှုပ်တော့အကုန်လုံးချလက်တွေ့မကျင့်ဘူးဆိုတော့ပြန်မေ့တာပဲအဲဒါကြောင့်တချို့အရာတွေကျလက်တွေ့ကျင့်ရတယ်ဥမာဒီကတိုင်း10ပါးတမပါ10ပါးဘာညာစသည်ဖြင့်ဒီလိုသင်ရတာပေါ့ကလေးတွေနဲ့သင်ကြတယ်ဒါပေမဲ့လက်တွေ့ကျင့်သုံးမရှင်တို့ဘယ်လိုနားလည်မလဲလက်တွေ့ကျင့်သုံးအောင်လက်တွေ့ကျင့်သုံးတဲ့နေရာမှာလည်းအောင်မြင်ပို့လို့ပေါ့ဒါမျိုးဟုတ်တယ်မလားအဲဒါကြောင့်လက်တွေ့ကျင့်သုံးရင်တော့ပို့ပြီးမှနားလည်တယ်မမေ့နိုင်ဘူးကဲအဲ့တစ်ချက်လေးကိုရသွားပြီဆိုတော့နောက် question answer တခုသွားမယ်Question answer 114ကျောင်းတိုက်တွင်၌ဝတ်ယူသောယဟန်၏ဥပ္ပစာအပိုင်းခြားကျောင်းတိုက်ပြင်ပသို့ထွက်၍ဝတ်ယူသောယဟန်၏ဥပ္ပစာအပိုင်းဒါလည်းခဏခဏပြောပြီးသားတွေပါ What are the boundaries for bhikkhu who takes parivasa inside or outside the streetကဲreference နော်အထပ္ပနာဥပ္ပကြရာစီမကတနာအရောจิตတပ္ပနာပဟိတိတနာ Bhiti Danambi Saji Sadan Sunati wa Pasati Sunati Pasati Duran wa Gandwa Aroji Daba Mewa Anaro Jendasa Rate Chirochiwa Wada Piti Dukatinja Odi Ajananda Sewa Upajarasman Puisaidwa Gechandi Se Rate Chidowa Odi Na Wada Bido Koda Seka Tika Ada Drasa da Upajara Aukamedwa Ajananda Zwa Kejati Rate Chiro Hoti Ewa Wada Biro Pana Nati Julawa Tagada page number 17 that is this one also everybody knows what are the boundaries for bhikkhu who takes pariwasa inside and outside monastery inside monastery like pariwasa monastery if there's a fence or boundary in this monastery the fence inside the monastery is upajara sima okay upajara sima then the place they mark it is a boundary of this monastery there will be boundary or upajara sima within this mark area is the monastery area. So like Pariwasa monastery, we have already faced this area is Pariwasa monastery like this, okay? Then within the monastery, they take Pariwasa and Manada, they inform their Pariwasa and Manadas to Bhagadatta Bhikkhu. At the dawn times, if they are inside the monastery together with Bhagadatta Bhikkhu, okay. Although they are living each other away from 12 cubits, okay, no problem. Within the boundary, they should be within the boundary. Anywhere, different kuti also okay. The same hall, like the same Dhamma hall, together also okay. No problem. After dawn time, they go in, put aside their Pariwasa or Manada from the to the Bhagadatta Bhikkhu. Okay. But outside of the monastery, then they should stay together with Bhagadatta Bhikkhu within 12 cubits. Like this. Okay? 12 cubits as we call Upachara. 12 Upachara. When we speak each other, position each other, we can hear within 12 cubits. Is it? Now I say without using mic, you can hear. Is it? But further than 12 cubits, they cannot hear. That is why we call it Savan Upachara. Savana Upachara can hear each other's words. Then so this Pariwasa Mananda Bhikkhu should stay together with Bhagadatta Bhikkhu within 12 cubits. If they are taking Pariwasa or Manada outside of the monastery. At the dawn time, okay? At the dawn time, they should stay together with Bhagadatta Bhikkhu within 12 cubits. Then if Aganduga Bhikkhu pass, don't know. If they know, they need to inform. If they don't know, then they pass. Then they don't inform him. Then what will happen? Then Rate Chira. Night out. They cannot get this night. Something like this. Is it? This question is okay. Outside the monastery, within 12 cubits is Upachara Sima. Within the monastery, like Pariwasa monastery, boundary of the monastery. Only this one. Araro Shimaruti with a Joundai 29 way with the young Ubaza Pancha. Joundai Piambado Tray with the young Ubaza Pancha, a bedu Mayabami knees. Ara Joundai got Brivo Jauno Lusu and CEO Katai and CEO Twimbo. CEO Makatabu and Haro Brivo Jauno Matai, a CEO Pieten and Niago, no? Jawin Pieten at Dodrango, Arago, Joundai Lukor. A young age Joundai Dama, Woto Manato, South TV, so yeah. I owned a chamber, Eddie Joundai Dama Bagada Yana to Shini, yavi sena down to motion Damayon to good to my motion era a yari yarabo yojana nyam people Avina sena down to my near me loom a child to my near yavi to the let the down Pagatayan and sena down to near or gone up or a town dar woman than their canable Alum a town diet about Davi was out in so yeah I owned that chain ma, Bagatai Hane, Avielo, send down to my Shiame. I owned that chain ma. Send down to my shoes, Papieto, I walk up yet a little version. I met Chunje lady in Nero to Cabioga Bibi. Bagatai Yanga Kasashi Lupiandore, so I owned that chain to the bar. I met to say Tamaranga, Napagatayan to need a daytime you little time, Eluson or Yavare, little quinchangelici. Being to a ballet, to a walk with Chabu to the Dwaima, Chauno Dwame, Twitter Kaja, a Nagoyani Tamachalu Layare, Tomo Paramazon, Twitter, Hantam, Majadus and Javi Macha, Jabida Yans were not the Karen Machavan and Chalaguyare, Manayo Woyove, Tamu. Era little changes here. The Gerans were not Chanda appearance were no, Senator Prema. She am out the one Upasara, the only deals Gabio Kamajana in Upazal. That is Senator on Drema, what was you be man Nireche? The Cha Agandu Yam Piatwa, Yaulan do Cham. Agandu Ya Edwanga Piatala Lua Madiu, so ye, Madilu Majaya no Abamademu. Tabi me a nya rate sira, nyaro piate. Tidi Jine Majabu, so in Babshimaro, what have it toga about? Allo Yaula Bogo, what Mimi wo you need a Jama people and a Majare at way, what have it toga about? Then Piro, Enya leve piete, rate sira levete, era lip matter. Error TV question yaso and Chanda Advance and Chanda Tamatare area, Jojanaro, the Rhino Russian, the Rhine Twembo. Machine, Chanda area, Tamatarania, Dwayne. Chanda Piambama, South Timor, Senator down to that could take question, yeah, na. Now, questions and answer 115. Ajen Yahandi, Nane Zozo Tayo Woko, Sautia, Rade Sira and Garodwin, the Kuku, Do and Gajao, Ayo Mademi, Nyemje Kemu, Tonyan Night Tayo Sautilia, Abami Lo. Abeku took Periwazas and Alimone, but his night was broken due to one Radechira factor. Is it allowable for him to take Parivasa again before dawn? How do you think? Okay. Now to be understand easily. Now there's a Parivasa monastery. 9 bhikkhu are spending their vasas and Parivasa monastery. Some bhikkhu are Bhagadada bhikkhu. Some bhikkhu are Parivasa or Manada bhikkhu. Okay. Manada or Parivasa bhikkhu. You know, last time I mentioned there are 3 factors which can break their night off for Parivasa bhikkhu. 4 factors for Manada bhikkhu. Is it? Savaso, Vipavaso, and Arojana. Okay? Savaso, Vipavaso, and Arojana. Savaso living together with Bhagadata bhikkhu at the same kuti, the same roof, under the same roof, sleeping, no? Vipavaso, at that one time, they are away from Bhagadata bhikkhu. They may outside, maybe in the monastery, there must be Bhagadata bhikkhu within the Parivasa monastery. Then they stay together. Okay. Although they are away from 12 cubits, no problem. Savaso, Vipavaso. Anarojana. When the new bhikkhu comes, they don't inform this visitor bhikkhu. There will be also night out. This night will be broken. Is it? But need to inform. Then okay. Savaso, Vipavaso, Anarojana. This is three factors which can break the night or for those who are taking privasa. But for another one, Unekane Charana Doso. Unekane Charana Doso. Okay, they stay, they take manat, they stay manat together only 1, 2, 3 beku, not with the Sangha. Should be at least 4 beku. Be more than 4 beku will be better. 4 manata. Manata beku. But at the dawn, therefore, only do 1, 2, 3 beku only, not 4 beku. Before dawn time. At the dawn time also, therefore, those beku only. Then there will be, it is not available, not valid. There must be at least 4 bekus to inform for those who are taking manada. Okay. Otherwise, will be this night will be broken. 4 factors to break their night for those who are taking manada. Okay, because of these factors, okay, they encounter Ratte problems because of one of these before Aruna times. At that time, how do you think? Then they put aside their privasa or manada. Privasa nekibami wada nekibami before Aruna time. No? After that, they take their privasa and manada. Okay, privasa samadhiyami wada samadhiyami. Something like this. After they inform their privasa or manada to the Bhagavata Bhikkhu. Again. Then at the dawn time, this should be before dawn time, no? Then at the dawn time they can put aside their privasa or manada. Then they will get one night. Oh, Abba Lord. It will be allowable or not. Okay? In this we can do. Okay? Because of Radha Chira fetters, they break their night. They one example. One is best. They are taking Parivasa or Manada and Parivasa monastery. Is it? Okay, one Aganduga Bhikkhu come to this monastery. But they didn't know. Then this Bhikkhu also go another place. Then they cannot inform him. Then only night time, for example, around 8:30 they inform their manada is there. After they are sleeping there in their kuti or one Anduga Bhikkhu come there. They didn't know. Then one Bhikkhu saw. This Bhikkhu, okay, return, leave from the monastery again. But one Bhikkhu, Aganduga Bhikkhu can't hear. Then they cannot inform this Bhikkhu. Then this night will be. But, okay, when they know this problem, we will not get this night, then they inform Bhikkhu, Bhagavata Bhikkhu again. Okay, he put aside his Parivasa or Manada again. Parivasa Nekipami or Manada Nekipami. Then after that, he will, before dawn time, then he will take his Parivasa or Manada, Parivasa Samadhiyami. Manadan Samadhiyami, etc. Then Amande is then at the dawn time he put aside Privasa Manada, then he can get one night. In this way possible. Can do this. Okay? It is a still available. It is a still allowable. If they break their night because of some reason, then they can put aside and they can say about they can tell their Parivasa Manada again. And this way, okay. Can I let la? Nale na? Kamyama lo piola ma. Ache yan di de nane so so thai wo ko sauk ti ya. Goro a pian ko thwet pi sauk ti de wo ko pyo ra po. Rade Sera and Garo and the Kugu and Gajang, Ayomademi, Nimpiakem, Tonya Night, Tayo South Dile, Upper me, Lord. Around a change of some blue Shimmer blue Amla. Okay, work goes one the mana goes out, the Wajaman needed, so Agandu Yandaba Wala. A good or level Kare Mabiom soon and Totwa. Time Yandaba mean like that, Matigoro when driving a road of Piaping Arunia, Chanecro in Matila. Ero Soles or nearby Shimiaruga's tower, Shenai Quelago, with the South Divi Machara Sojazo. Aimadua Senai Sadivian Divonialama when like Tradores and Dilato, a Pietom, the outer team Dimamo. Tidway had Dicoro when Davies and Janecuria, Machala to A Nyaga, Papieto, Rate Sira Pietom. Nya Pietom. Aroma Bietian of Alblomle. My Bietian of Lomle, so a was out. Jamu Pietom Ditare Wodo Dayan. Anna, Periwa than Nekiban, what than Nekibam is a South Ditara Mashiro. P and Piamima South Dila. Ah, Periwa than the Madia, what than the Madiami, Piro Mana than what than the Madiami, another Compian Javo, area Kurori Piamima. A Jaune Mashira Kurori Pianja, what your Manayo. Palo, I am dead cancer, Loluya, the Elubiogen. I am dead, Kajan, Kuchatare, how Piamima Chala, Erasme Enya, Radisiram of Piabu, Daubura. The Elumia, Wallo Nembo, Hola, a yeri very genius, Elu Loluya, as a jumper. The interview Saudi Kamala Elue, I am a deck and leave my tower of Lena Lago Dobima Saudi. I am dead, Manai Kuela Soy. A Jarema. What South Divi man needed actually my John Kuyam Piatuares, I am a limited use and a Piancha time of Saudi Yan and the little of your. Okay, the question she look here. Question answer to Ruetemer. Aji. Phantom Macadao, Nene Pagila. Very long. Okay, Palabam. 116. The good Canada and Piana Brioco Yulo Yandi, Brewo down do a car. Kamoazabian Bedo a car. Brioco Saudi Jado a car 9 Laga. Mana Yudo Yandi, Brioco Saudi Manago down do a car. Kamoazabian Bedo a car. Manago Saudi Jado a car 9 Laga. Abandon Yandi, Manago Saudi, Aban down do a car. Kamoazabian Abandon a car 9 Laga. John died Piembeka. Tuado agandu yango piese, Joundai night shini do yango piese, a single meal laga and down Jaylaga, to Briwa mana aban canodi piemilo. A matter of day nema, day piemas or cannot day piemas, cannot day nema lugura. Cannot day nema do a Briwo to mana to aban to tembo lonely jaipo. Lonely chima that you are Briwo you may book or a Briwo go jabi, town bibi, Kamoa Pakani, Tamubo. Mana you let book or a Briwo go let Jabi Tangari, Biro Mana level down bibi, Kamoa Pani, Chemu, Tamubo, no? Up and down a book or level Tamu, up and down no Masro, Manajare, Manasau Diare, Manajare. Biro up and Kamoa Mayokem, you need a chain, Tamuribo. Eri a chema, they piani dore and the Baba Minlai. Adani Jai, a Piemla, a can Piemla, look through Machala Yare. Arabura. Kero a ginger pure mesoy, it's a merable lieutenant. Piamaten. They name a penetangarema pauga, Bientang at the Baba, they Nayalaris, drew me and bluten. Piama lieutenant. If you know, no? Biro. Okay, a ginger garadima, Priwa mana abangano di Mabiba. Allah. Priwa mana abangano di Mabiba, Bibi so madama, Miai reference to the Piarabo. Eh, as a Mabia Hulu of Matale. Allah through DM alone as to a Nyangu you mam hold that to it, around a Nyangu you mam hobo. Allah. Palo Manasa Priwa South Diabo, Emma Priwa Jabi, Emma Shida Tanga, where Priwa Jai, Priwa Pian Chat Mali. Manasa Diabo, Manaja Pian Chat Hauma. chingom you to be there, Kajama, what John Dobby Lojama, the Pale, naked our pit, chat had a word pit. I knew. I am Bamam Pipa. I love you. You mess when not through meanness when through Jabo. What my Bruto, Manato, Saudi B, Kamalepa B, Tangadule Jabi. I met Chamatadi, Chamataro, when at the care, the Jonem of a Niro me, Tamusu. They out lare Agandu Baru Jarabo. Allo Modibus and Pianchat how my piano, the Yao, Yidram, how did it, Vampipa, to the Pure. Oh, Myanmar, no, Myanmar look in your letter. A bhikkhu carry out Sprivasa, Vinyakama or Manada Vinyakama or Abana Kama outside the Kandasima. Not outside, no, this one, sorry, wrong. Inside, in the Sangasima, in the Kandasima. Is his Kama at valid? Invalid. When he either sees visitors, bhikkhu, patients outside of monastery or residents bhikkhu in the monastery, or sees their shade or hear their voice during his karma was an act. How do you think? It will be valid or invalid. Okay, then it is okay, valid. Oh, why? In the Sima, after informing their Privasa Manada, etc., they are also reciting Kama Vacha. After recitations of Kama Vacha, they will take Privasa and Manada accordingly. They will inform Privasa and Manadas to the Bhagavata Bhikkhu accordingly. After that, they will put aside their Privasa and Manada there. Not count the Naya yet. Why? They will go Privasa monastery. Oh, that is only in the Sima. But if they will stay in this monastery without putting aside their Privasa and Manada, after informing to the Sangha in the Sima. But if there's a new visitor who can, they need to inform sure. There are also still the other remaining bhikkhu in the monastery. They are not inside of the Sima. They also need to inform. That is why. But in Privasa monastery, no problem. They will put aside. Then go to Privasa monastery and they take Privasa to Bhagavata Bhikkhu there. Then no problem. That will be okay. Remember this one, okay? According to these questions and answer. Now, usually, we do this Privasa Manada Abana Kama and Sima and this monastery compound. After that, they put aside their Privasa and Manada in the Sima here. Then later on, they go to Privasa monastery. Then they also take Privasa and Manada there and inform their Privasa and Manadas to Bhagavata Bhikkhu or each other. Then at the dawn times, they also put aside their Privasa and Manada. Then can count one night. But since they had different idea, when they take Privasa and Manada in this monastery, they don't inform the other bhikkhu who are not in Sima. That is why this night is invalid. Although they take Privasa and Manada outside of the Privasa monastery, they had this idea. Even here, there are such kinds of idea here. But it say okay, no problem. Okay. Enough, no? Okay, another one. Many reference, no problem. Okay, this should be the last questions and answer regarding Privasa. Okay, 117. Abban Dwembima Manago Chajanga Abamilo. Is this allow us to take off Manada after completing Abanakama? Do you understand what does okay. Was Manada all procedure finished, completed. Then after 6 days of Manada, then they take Abana Kama in the Sima. But in some monastery, what happened? They put aside their Manada, Manada Neki Pami water, Neki Pami, Manada Neki Pami water, Neki Pami. It will be allowed or not? How do you think? It should be put aside or not? Their Manada should be put aside after Abanagama or not? That is the question. How do you think? Huh? Do you know? Marisa? Huh? Not necessary. Anyone? Who answer? Okay. Anyone? Hey, okay. Huh? Okay. One thing. If your Privasa or Manada is valid or completed after Abanagama, no need to put aside. But one thing, what they worry is, okay, they take Parivasa, for example, 5 days. But because of some reason, they didn't complete 5 days, but they don't know one day. Rate Chira Enga, no? In the same way, 6 Manada, they take 6 days Manada. Okay, already completed. But there may be some reason to break one of those nights. Because reason. Etc. Is it? Then, although their 6 days of Manada is completed, but actually one day Radhachira, it may be possible. Then when they do Abana Kama, then Manada Samadhiyami, what does Samadhiyami? They say after the Amane Samula Sangha, this is Abadio Abechain, etc. They inform their Manadas to the Sangha. Then rest Abanas to the Sangha. In Sangha, beside the Abana Kamawasa for Speku. Then after finishing, okay, finish. But he will not put aside his Manada. Although they do Abana, if they take only, for example, 5 days Manada, 1 day is a Radhachira, then it is invalid. His karma is still not successful yet. Something like that. Then if he don't put aside his Manada, during this period, he think it is a successful. But he don't put aside Manada, Nekibam, at that time, okay, later on, okay, he became Bhagavata Bhikkhu, he think. Then at that time he will break one Sangha Disesa. For example, like Sukha Visati or Kaya Sansaka, etc. Then one Abati, Sangha Disesa Abati, he commit one Sangha Disesa Abati. At that time, then there will be Mulaya Parikasana, Manada. Oh, there is another one danger. Because of this reason, Tasama Adhika Radio Ketwa Kataban. Tasama Adhika Radio Ketwa Kataban. Remember, whenever you take Parivasa or Manada, you should take extra day, extra night. You think? You committed one Sangati says Abadi or many Sangati says Abadi. Okay, after that you concede those Abadi after committing. Only just for 3 days, you think. But to make sure, maybe you should take 5 days or 1 week in this way is better. Don't take less than what you think. Okay, for Manada, although the Buddha fixed only just for 6 days for Manada, but to make sure whether there will be 1 night break or not sure, that is when to make sure you should take about 7 days or something like this. In this way is better. That's a Adhikarati or Kahetwa Kataban. You should take more day, extra day, it is better. Okay, let's say it's not available, not possible, but extra day is better to make sure. Then this danger, you will not encounter this kinds of danger. Then you take, for example, 1 day break because of some reason, no problem. You have already taken extra day. Then okay, no problem, like this. Okay? Then after Abana Kama, you don't need to put aside your manada or your manada. Then although you commit one Sangari says Abadi Huda, it won't be Mulaya Parikasana. There is another Abadi. They need to do another Privasa or manada accordingly. Is it? No Mulaba. But Mulapati Kasana is very busy. Sangha also very tired. Sangha are also very tired. That is why Sunday they do the Mulapati Kasana like Nyanamoli or something like this. I want to hit with the stick. Yeah, Nyanamoli. Sunday actually they don't commit Sunday, but they have doubt and win something like that. Because of lack of knowledge or because of doubtful nature, doubtful characters. That is the problem. Okay? They make the Sangha tired. Children taking Privasa Manada, be careful not to commit any other Sangha disease. Otherwise, will be very problems. Then they have, because of Vinya Kogucha, they commit another day, they cannot finish this Vinya Kogucha. If they have such kinds of doubt regarding Vinya in their mind, the Vinya is not pure, they cannot practice meditation well to be successful. Okay? That is also important. Do you have any question regarding this? Okay, Myanmar. Abban သွင်းပြီးမှမနချခြင်းကအပ္ပမီလောတဲ့အဲ့ဒါဘာကိုပြောလဲဆိုရင်အပ္ပံသွင်းပြီးတဲ့အခါကျအပ္ပံသွင်းတဲ့အခါသူမနကိုအရင်စောက်တည်ရတာလေမာနတန်သမာတရားဝတ္တန်သမာတရားမိပြီးပြီဆိုမှအမတိတံလတံငါတိတေတာအပ္ပတိယောအပိစိတမ္မလအပ္ပတိဧကပရိသန္တာယောစသည်ဖြင့်မနချတာလေမနချပြီးတဲ့အခါကျရင်မချတော့ဘဲနဲ့မနဟိုအပ္ပံတောင်းရတာလေအပ္ပံတောင်းပြီးတော့တန်ခါကမ္မဝဇာဖတ်လိုက်ပြီကမ္မဝဇာဖတ်ပြီးပြီဆိုရင်တဲ့အဲ့ဒီအပ္ပံမနကိုချထားတဲ့သလားဒီလိုမေးတာအဲ့ဒါရှင်ဘုရားတို့ဘယ်လိုထင်လဲကဲအဲ့ဒါနဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးနှစ်ခုတော့ရှိမှာပေါ့နှစ်ခုတော့ရှိမယ်ဆိုတာကကိုစောက်တည်ခဲ့တဲ့ဝတ်တွေမနတ်တွေကအောင်မြင်တဲ့ညက်ပြတ်တာတွေမရှိခဲ့ဘူးဆိုရင်ချဖို့မလို့မချတဲ့ဟုတ်ပြီနော်တန်တရားကင်ရှင်းထားတဲ့မအောင်မြင်ခဲ့ဘူးဆိုရင်တော့ချရင်လည်းကောင်းတာပဲဆိုတာမျိုးပြောချင်တာချတဲ့တယ်ဆိုတာမျိုးပြောချင်တာပေါ့ဟုတ်ပြီနော်တကြောင်အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ဒီမှာအထက်ကရာတရားပြောတာတတ္တမအဓိကရတ္တိယောကေတဝကတ္တပံနဲ့ဒါကြောင့်မို့ဝတ်ဆောက်တည်တဲ့အခါမှာနတ်ဆောက်တည်တဲ့အခါမှာရက်ပူတွေယူပြီးမှဆောက်တည်ကြပါလို့ဒီလိုတိုက်တွန်းတာဥမာပရိဝတ်ဆောက်တည်တဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်က3ရက်လောက်အပတ်တင်ပြီး3ရက်လောက်ဖုံးလွှမ်းလိုက်တယ်ဆိုတော့3ရက်လောက်ဖုံးလွှမ်းတယ်ဆိုပြီးမှ3ရက်ဖုံးလွှမ်းတယ်ဆိုပြီးမှ3ရက်အတိသွားမလုပ်နဲ့9ရက်လောက်တစ်ပတ်လောက်ဒီလိုပို့ပြီးမှယူလိုက်လို့ဒီလိုပြောချင်တယ်မာနဆောက်တည်တဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ကတော့မာနက6ရက်ပဲလေအဲ့တော့6ရက်ကိုကျင့်မယ်ဆိုရင်အဲ့ဒီ6ရက်ထဲမှာသမုတ်ခုနပရိဝတ်ဆိုရင်လည်းပရိဝတ်သူစောင့်တဲ့အတော်တွင်းမှာမိမိတတ်မှအထူးသဖြင့်မာနပေါ့မာနက6ရက်ဆိုရင်6ရက်အတိအကျလေးယူလိုက်မယ်ဆိုအဲ့ထဲမှာအကြောင်းတစ်မျိုးမျိုးကြောင့်များရရတ္တိစေတာဖြစ်သွားမယ်ဆိုရင်ညှင်းပြတ်သွားမယ်ဆိုရင်6ရက်မပြည့်တော့အဲ့တော့6ရက်မပြည့်ဘဲနဲ့အပံသွားတောင်းလိုက်တဲ့အခါကျတော့ तू အောင်မြင်ပြီးမှဒီတိုင်းမနတ်ကိုမချပဲထားလိုက်တော့ကဲနောက်တစ်ခါတန်ခါတိတ်အဘတ်တွေသွားတက်ပြီဆိုရင်အဲ့ဒါဒီမူလယပရိကတနာဖြစ်သွားတယ်လို့ဒီလိုပြောချင်တာဒါကြောင့်မို့မနတ်ကိုအောင်မြင်အောင်6ရက်မကပဲနဲ့ရက်ပိုလေးတွေယူပြီးမှကျင့်ပါလို့ဒီလိုပြောတာရက်ပိုယူပြီးကျင့်တာဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်တလေမတော်တဆများပြတ်သွားရင်တောင်မှသူ6ရက်ကအပိုယူတာဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်6ရက်ကတော့ပြည့်မှာပဲဒါကြောင့်အပံသွင်းပြီးတဲ့အခါဒီကံကအောင်မြင်တာဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်ပြန်ချစရာမလိုတော့နောက်ထပ်အဘတ်တဲ့နေဆိုရင်အဲ့ဒါမူလပရိကတနာမဟုတ်ဘူးအဲ့ဒါနောက်တစ်မျိုးပဲဟုတ်လားပရိဝမာနအားလျော်ဆိုတာစောက်တီးရမှာပေါ့နောက်ပိုင်းတဲ့နေဆိုရင်ဒါကိုပြောတာအဲ့လိုမဟုတ်ဘဲနဲ့များမအောင်မြင်ဘဲနဲ့များအပံကို6ရက်ရတ္တိစေတာ6ရက်မပြည့်ဘဲနဲ့9ရက်လောက်နဲ့တိုင်းမှာလုံမိလိုက်တယ်တရက်ပြတ်သွားလို့9ရက်လောက်ပဲရပြီးမှအပံသွင်းလိုက်တယ်ဆိုအောင်မြင်တယ်လို့သူကထင်နေရင်မအောင်မြင်ဘဲနဲ့ဖြစ်သွားရင်အဲ့ဒါဒီ နောက်ပိုင်းမှာတန်ခါတိတ်တိတ်အဘတ်တွေသိရင်အဲ့ဒါမူလပရိကတနာဖြစ်သွားမယ်အလုပ်တွေအကုန်ရှုပ်ကုန်မယ်မပြီးနိုင်ဖြစ်သွားမယ်အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်မို့အောင်မြင်တယ်ဆိုရင်တော့မချမအောင်မြင်ဘူးဆိုရင်တော့ချတဲ့တယ်လို့ဒီလိုပြောတာဒါကြောင့်ချတယ်ဆိုရင်လည်းပဲသူ့အနေနဲ့သူမအောင်မြင်ဘူးလို့တန်ရရှိတဲ့တော့တယောက်တဲ့အတွက်အဲ့လိုချတာကိုတော့တချို့ဥဆောင်ပြီးလုပ်ပေးတဲ့ဆရာတော်တွေကတော့မကြောက်အောင်တန်တရားကင်းအောင်လုပ်တာတန်တရားကင်းရမလေအဲအကြောင်းအပူယူပြီးမှကျင့်တယ်ပါတယ်လို့ဒီလိုပြောတာဟုတ်ပြီနော်အဲ့တော့အပန်သွင်းပြီးတဲ့အခါကျမှအဲ့ဒီဟာကိုလှုပ်လိုက်တဲ့အတွက်မနတနေကိဝတ္တနေကိပံပြီးဆိုဥဆောင်ပြီးလုပ်ပေးတဲ့ဆရာတော်တွေကဒီကောင်တန်တရားကင်းအောင်လုပ်ပါဆိုမှတန်တရားမကင်းဘူးဒီလိုဖြစ်ကုန်တာအဲ့တော့တန်တရားမကင်းတဲ့သဘောလဲသိသွားတာပေါ့ဟုတ်တယ်မလားဒါပေမဲ့တခုတော့ရှိတယ်တကယ်လို့မအောင်မြင်ခဲ့ဘူးရက်ပုံမယူခဲ့လို့မြင်ခဲ့သည်ရှိတော့သူ့အတွက်တော့တခုတော့ဆစ်ဖြစ်သွားတာပေါ့အဲ့တခုတော့ရှိတယ်အဲ့ဒါတော့ရှိတယ်သို့တော့ကဲတန်တရားလည်းပဲကင်းလေအောင်ဥဆောင်ပြီးလုပ်ပေးတဲ့ဆရာတော်တွေလည်းပဲစိတ်မကွက်ရလေအောင်ပရိဝတ်ပဲယူမနတ်ပဲယူရက်ပိုလေးတွေထမယူပါလို့ဒီလိုပြောချင်တာကဲအဲ့ဒါဆိုရင်ပရိဝတ်မနတ်နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့ question answer ပြီးပြီကဲ so question answer regarding Pariwasa and Manatta is ended. Do you have any questions? Okay, question answer. Me, my tour of my Pariwasa and Manatta. Pariwasa Manatta never the guy Bamya Majentiru. Well, no questions, me. They have no doubt. They understand everything. Okay. We should stop our winner discussions for today. Idame Punya, Asawa Kaya, Wahan Hodu, Idame Punya, Neighbor Nasa, Pejayo, Hodu, Mama Punya Baga, Saba Zadana, Bajemi, Desabe, Mesama, Punya Baga, Labandu, Sadhu, Sadhu, Sadhu. Sukhi Hodu, Nibbana Sapajya Hodu. Sadhu, Sadhu Anumodami. Sadhu Anumoditaba. Kamami Kamitaba. Sukhi Hodu, Nibbana Sapajya Hodu. Many are Olobila or Nana one. Dear Peron through Peron Piobil, Peron Pio, no? Ponjirina. Oh, then okay. They were also maybe they also put the announcements there, okay? They were also stepped the announcement there. Actually, Pavarana Day, come in the Uposita Day, Patimokkha Day. Then there will be Pavarana in our monastery at 8 a.m. So all bhikkhu, maybe Siali, Samnira, or Ketas in the Sima before 8 a.m. Then we will start our Pavarana at 8 a.m. Okay? In the Sima together. Then after that, maybe if we have times, then we will take come down to the library area, Dhammagiri library. Then in front of Dhammagiri library area, then we will also take the photo, group photo in this way, okay? After that, go to dining hall. Then after lunch, by 12 a.m., 12 a.m., then PM, then we we take the bus and go to the Maha Wisongama Sima and Pyongyang city to pay homage to the 10 very senior heroes. Then we also receive their order. We also listen their order there. Then after they return here and this, okay? Then we will do Parana here. What is the reason? Actually, we should do Parana together there, but very senior hero, usually more than 90 years, or like senior to even our past hero. The reason they cannot sit down. Then only they will go and pay homage and give some order like this. Okay? Then after they will return. So we will do Parana at Sima here ourselves. Okay? Huh? Currently, we don't have any plan to pay homage to him because he is not happy currently. Okay?